Hey guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can make a simple caterpillar game using Python. So let's get started. But before getting started, let me show you the game. So I have saved my game. So let me tell you how it works. So let me press space, and like this it works. Like you get 10 points and so on. It will work. It will move more faster. It will increase its speed like daily, and if you lose the game it says game over, and then that's it. So we are going to learn this. Let's get started. Okay, so first let me show you the programming. So these are the programmings. Okay, so I will be telling you what what happens to each of the programming. So you just ignore this red thing because that's only comment. When you write hashtag, after that whatever you write is not considered as the command. Okay, so let's do our step one. So my step one would be go in a idle, open a idle, go to file, go to new file. So you will get something like this, and you go file, um, go to save as, and then you can type it in the desktop. I am writing game 3 dot py. Now dot py means that this will be saved as Python. So like here you can see game 3 has been saved as Python. So then now let's go back to our code. So import turtle as t. That means that the turtle, the add these two import statements to tell Python that you need turtle and random modules. Okay, the third line t bg color shows the background color as it was shown in the game. So let me just copy this and just paste it. You can see the command. You can pause the video and write the command. And here we are go. Then next command. Next command would be next command would be caterpillar equal to turtle. So this creates a new turtle for the caterpillar. Like the red mark as was shown in the game. So to convert that thing, so we are writing caterpillar as a T, turtle. So these are the color red, shape should be square, and speed should be 0 because we don't want the turtle to move before the game. Okay, caterpillar should be pen up, like it was shown pen up. Caterpillar height turtle. So let me copy this. You can see the command. You can pause the video. Then control V. So these are the commands. Just don't write the red mark because that's the comment that I have written. Okay, then comes the leaf. So we want leaf. So caterpillar each leaf. So we are writing leaf equals to t dot turtle. And leaf shapes are given in the width, size, and this backslash. Then leaves color, leaf is in a green shape. Uh, yeah, it should be pen up, height turtle, and the speed should be 0 because we don't want that the leaf move. We only want the caterpillar to move. Okay, then enter. Now, okay, add some text. Now set up to move more turtles to add text to the game. So game started equals to false. We have to write false, the text turtle turtle, press space to start. So we are giving the whoever is playing, so we have to give him that press the space button to start the game. Okay, and Algin should be in center. Arial, it should be 16 bold. These are the size and the bold of the letters. So we will copy this. It's very simple. You can see the command. You can pause the video and see each type of command, because if you write one of them is not correct, so it will not run as a cell. Then the main loop, then a semicolon, turtle are now set up to ready to go. So we are ready to play the game. So these are the commands whenever you press the button to, like X left or slash, X right or wall. So let's select this. Okay, then control V. So see the video see the commands carefully, because you should get everything as right. Nothing should come as wrong, because then the command will not able to run properly. Then, okay, wait. Then it says that if you go out of the box, then the game is over. So it is written def game over, bracket open close, and the commands written over here as followed, and the font number. Then we control it, we paste. Okay, now display score. Like if after the game is over, it should display the score. So we control this. Okay, you see the code, display score, current score. So whatever the play, how many leaves it is being eaten by the caterpillar, it will show the score. Okay, so these are the formulas, these are the fonts, and how it should be bold. Yeah, so I've told it. Okay, so the shirt should be back. Don't forget to make it a back. Okay. After says, like it says that game over. Now many of you will ask why we have written game over at first, because like we are typing all the commands that should be given in the game, and when game starts, after the game starts, then these commands will be displayed. So let me see that where was I was in display score. Okay, after display score, place the leaf. Like after the game, when the game will start, the leaf should be there. Okay, so we have to write a command over there, back. Always remember, def should be at the back, not at the here, so the command will not run properly. Okay, then after that the game starts. Okay, so I have controlled it. Game start. Global game started. If the game started, return game started true. Okay, now the first it was false, now it is true. Now it means that game has started. The score should be 0 and caterpillar speed should be 2. Then it will increase when it eats one leaf 3, and so on will getting the max is 3 and the min is 2. So I've controlled it. Let's paste it. Okay, so game has started. Okay, yeah. After that, you have to write move up, move down, like moving up like in 180 degrees. It should not, moving like curly type. So it should move 180 degree state by sleeping and by down and by sleeping down up. So it should be like up, down, left, right. Pause the video and write the formulas correctly. Wait. Okay. So now when we go to here, so yeah, T Onki game start space. Using space, the game will start. These are the final commands. Move up by the up button, right, down, and left. And listen, main point is nothing. So let's control this. And we are almost there. Yeah. So once you have done this, go to the file, click save. Now how you can run this module? So you have to go to run. You have to say run module. Expected and indicated block. Okay, so that means there is some mistake over here. So whenever there is a mistake, this syntax error will come up and you have to improve it. So like I was having. Now over here. Okay. Yeah. Then in the it should be like colon colon colon. So let me save. Everything is having colon. Yeah, everything is having colon. Everything is great. Let's run. So this cannot be run because I have made. So it was saying that I have made this game early before, so that's why it's not able to get started. But it's okay. Let me start this model. Yeah. So I've saved that. So I have saved that as this as caterpillar. So I will open this and you are good to go. So you can tell that you have made your own game by simple ways. So this how you can play your game at any moment. This you can share with your friends, anyone, family members, and you will love this play to game. If you like this video, click that like button and the subscribe button, and don't forget to comment what was your favorite part of this video. Goodbye.